Dois olhares que se encontram, dois corações que palpitam ritmando a mesma emoção. Duas almas que fogem de seus ninhos para se abraçarem e duas bocas que se abrem para se dizerem: eu te amo.
You know I think I done finally be crazy to let our
much the way that I feel for you. But my feeling burning in my soul, like the thunder and the lightning before the rain will fall. And I've got a surefire feeling letting me know I'm not wrong. You're the
Would you open the door, baby? Come on, baby, open the door. It's cold. It's raining out here, too. Okay, it's gonna be like that? Okay, I'll talk through the door. I'm fine talking through the door. It's cool. You know, you've always given me love, baby, and I feel deep down in my heart that I kind of walked all over your love. Let me start at the beginning. Won't let me in. Just crack the door, baby. Just a little bit. Just crack the door so I can see your sweet, smiling face, baby. You can keep the chain on it even. Just crack the damn door. Let me stick my hand in. It's cold out. I'm sorry, baby. I swear I'm sorry. Oh.
Let's get married today.
Your room. You won't share your love with nobody else. Ooh, yeah. You feel safe and warm, locked in a world that you made for yourself. Yeah. Ooh, don't you think it's time to try to find someone to take care of you? Love me, put love on your mind. Let me be the one to put a smile in your life. Love on your mind. You can't go wrong hiding your feelings your whole life through. Ooh, yeah. You're being half a woman. Oh, until love becomes part of you. Ooh, yeah. Don't you think it's time to try to find someone to take care of you? Let me feel your love. Let me be the one to put a smile in your life. Let me put love on your mind. Let me put love you, baby, to the end of time. Let me put love on your mind. Let me put love. I put loving on your mind, on your mind. Let me put love. Let me put love on your mind.